Hello everybody, this is Dr. Park from On You Dentistry in Lake Forest. I would like to take a moment to say hi to everybody and then just share my days at the office. Usually at this time of the day, this parking lot is completely full with the people who work out and then work out the next door 24 Fitness and a lot of different kind of vendors, but this parking lot is completely empty with a very rarely any cars around, and then our office is on modified schedule. Okay, so let's go inside. So at the On You Dentistry, we are not operating on a regular schedule, but we are available for all the dental emergency needs for any kind of your needs. And we are connected with Rachel right here. So hey.
Hello. I miss you all. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and healthy. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.
All right. So we are available through any kind of a phone call, emails, or you can call the office and then I'll set up the virtual consultation with the doctor so we can talk to you over the online face-to-face. Okay, so this is the back office hallway. We have a lot of operations. Supposedly very busy, but today for the last 2.5 weeks it's been very quiet. And then this is our X-ray room, and X-ray just takes like a one shot to take all the X-ray needs for the people for any general checkup and stuff. And this is the operatory, and computer sleeping, and then my dental chairs are sleeping. And then here's another one over here. They're all kind of quiet. And then there's another room with the operatory. It's all quiet. So there's a lab, and then over here I'm walking on the aisle, and there's another operatory. They're kind of like all, everybody's all sleeping. And I have one room open actually over here, and then I have a couple people over here. Hey, we got no patient here, but they're all set up for any emergency needs. So somebody has any dental emergency needs, and then these are people all equipped up with all personal PPE, and then we're ready to see anybody for their dental needs. So say something, people.
Stay safe. If you need us, we are here for you guys. Just give us a call. We're all ready for you.
So hope everybody stays safe and healthy, and then if you do have any dental emergency, we are available, as I said. And we also have set up a virtual consultation, so you can actually go into our webpage and then get it linked up and set up a virtual consultation so we can talk to you online face-to-face. Okay, so until the next time, stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Bye.